Hi guys, my name is Matt. Just got into school for web design. I'm going to be learning HTML, XHTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I figured I would let you guys tag along because I don't find myself to be so much text-based or visual learner. I'm more of a hands-on type of person, so I kind of figured I wasn't the only one and figured I'd make a video so you guys can watch, learn, and practice with me. Anyway, what you're going to need to start with is some sort of editing program. You can use regular Notepad, which all Windows computers have, and I'm not sure about Mac, but I went ahead and got Notepad++ just because it gives you the options to kind of preview what you're building and some other tools and settings to help you as you go along. Anyway, we're going to get started with HTML, and as I progress through school, we will cover XHTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Anyway, today we're going to be learning some of the basics. On every HTML document, you're going to need an opening tag and an ending tag. Just like that. And everything in between will comprise your web page. Anyway, you're going to need to save this file as an HTML document. So we'll go ahead and save it as whatever, and hypertext markup, and go ahead and save this again. The first set of tags usually in your HTML document is a title, and we'll just call it this as a title, and do an ending tag. Close that off. You don't have to put the tags in line. For instance, you can start the tag here, do the starting tag here, and do it like this if you wish, but I like to do it in line. It's better for indexing and whatnot, so I can quickly get to it. Anyway, we'll save this, and the cool thing about Notepad++ is you can go ahead and preview it. So I'm going to launch in Chrome. As you can see, my web page is titled "This is a title," and there's nothing in there because we haven't gotten there yet. Anyway, close that out. Something to note about titles. This is what search engines pull off of through their index and database. So when you create a website, say call it Matt's page, and somebody went to Google or Yahoo to search for Matt's page, that's what the search engine is going to pull off of. Next part is going to be the heading, and you can do it like this, or H1, and H1 signifies the size of the text, H1 being the largest text, and H6 being the smallest. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys that. Close it off, do an H3, and an H6. And we'll go ahead and save that and preview that again. As you can see, our title there, with heading 1, heading 3, heading 6. Generally, you're going to be using H1. This can be sort of a title in the page outside of the page title. Now we're going to be moving on. Go ahead and erase 3 and 6 to the body, and the body will be the actual text inside the HTML document. Okay, we'll go ahead and save that and preview it just to show you guys. So there's the heading and the body. Now after the body, you can have paragraphs. Just, what am I thinking of? Yeah, just a P for paragraph. And one thing to note is paragraphs are more or less for indexing for the editor. So go ahead and close that off, and the paragraph won't appear any different than the body. We'll go ahead and launch it and I'll show you. So as you can see, title, heading, body and paragraph, and the paragraph doesn't appear any different than the body. But what you will be able to do is add some modifiers. So up here, all paragraphs should be, Times New Roman, 16 font, blue color, whatever you want. And it's just so every time you key in P plus the modifier, it'll just be easier that way. Also, you can do it with the body and throw in some modifiers for the body, but we'll get into that later. And more or less, that is the very basics. So later this week, we'll be going over text font, text size, boxes, tables, positioning, other stuff. And if you'd like to go ahead and subscribe and follow along, that's cool. Have any questions, let me know. Any comments, something I missed, I'll go back and I can re-edit the video. Anyway, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later.